More than once or just once in a while?
Let off and then, like some people with more gas on, it's not bad, but
there you go. That was wicked. Bring it in real quick if you can and take off again. Just wanna. Oh, watch it. Woo! Nice.
I don't know, it's a pretty big run. Who knows how much fuel we use, right? One of the longest times I've ever used it.
Wow, nice.
Good, you know, usually we're nothing. Oh, it's covered in water. It's not much. Feel the heat coming off of it. Oh, buddy, look at that.
No,
hardly,
it's not bad.
There is some, but hardly any compared to before. There's some in here, right? Yeah. Not much. What did take on, you mean? Yeah. That's not hot water at all. It was like, it felt like a lot of times it was at the end there. I'd punch it, it would go, and then it would, you know, when I was ready to let off, because I'm ready to turn, that's what it was pick up. Like it had a big, but that could be adjustments. I mean, we've never touched the carb, right?
Mm-hmm. Nice run. Oh.
That was the first. I've never seen that before. That was pretty awesome.
Almost sunk it.
You can see why you'd want to build those things strong, man. That was quite the torque, you know.
Yeah, it's instant stop.